The Sidus Space stock I shared recently went from 64 cents to $1. That's 45% gains, making subscribers serious money. But today's picks could deliver returns 10 times larger. I found 2 penny stocks under $1 with massive catalysts. Before you think this is penny stock nonsense, one just merged to become a public Bitcoin treasury company with 7,500 Bitcoin. The other is an AI education platform with 5.4 million users building a Bitcoin-first future. Stick around, these could explode. Hey everyone, Sterling from Velocity Stocks. Welcome back. This channel finds undervalued stocks with real catalysts before Wall Street catches on. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss opportunities like these. Let's dive into 2 penny stocks that could change your portfolio. Penny stocks under $1 are hot right now for one simple reason. Small price equals massive percentage gains possible. A stock moving from 70 cents to $2 isn't unrealistic. That's a 200% return. Yes, these are risky, but here's why these two are different. They're not shell companies. They have real assets, real business models, and both are positioned in the hottest trend right now. Bitcoin treasury strategies combined with AI and education technology. The first is a finance company that just merged to become a Bitcoin treasury player. The second is an AI-powered education platform building a global network, both under $1, both with catalysts that could drive explosive gains. Let's break them down. Stock number 1 is Strive Asset Management, ticker ASST, trading on Nasdaq at 79 cents. Strive was founded in 2022 and is headquartered in Dallas, Texas. They're a small operation, 9 employees, but here's what makes them fascinating. In May 2025, Strive Asset Management merged with ASST entities to become the first publicly traded asset management Bitcoin treasury company. This is massive. They're positioning themselves as a Bitcoin accumulation play, similar to MicroStrategy's model but focused on using novel financial strategies to outperform Bitcoin itself. Here's the catalyst. Strive now holds approximately 7,525 Bitcoin. As of November 2025, that Bitcoin treasury is valued at over $700 million at current Bitcoin prices. The company's market cap, only $688 million. Think about that. You're buying a company where the Bitcoin holdings alone are worth more than the entire market capitalization. That's an asset-backed value play right there. The all-time high for this stock was $17.75 in February 2023. It's now at 79 cents. That's a 95% decline. If this stock recovers even 10% of that decline, you're looking at massive gains. Recent price action shows volatility. 1-month range is 79 cents to $1.13. 6-month range is 79 cents to $8.91. The stock hit almost $9 just 6 months ago. Why the decline? Market conditions, extreme pessimism around speculative Bitcoin plays. But the Bitcoin holdings are real. The strategy is real, and with Bitcoin potentially heading higher in 2025, this stock could be massively undervalued. The company is also exploring raising up to $1.5 billion through warrant exercises, which would make them one of the largest Bitcoin treasury companies in the world. They're using perpetual preferred equity to amplify Bitcoin exposure without diluting common shareholders significantly. Average daily volume is 113 million shares. That's excellent liquidity for a penny stock. You can get in and out easily. Conservative target, $2 to $3 within 12 months. That's a 200 to 300% return. Aggressive target, if Bitcoin rallies and the company hits their Bitcoin accumulation goals, $5 to $10 is possible. That's a 5 to 10x the risks. Bitcoin could crash, destroying the thesis. The company is not profitable and burning cash. There's execution risk on their capital raising plans. This is speculative, but the Bitcoin backing provides a tangible floor. Stock number 2 is Genius Group, ticker GNS, trading on NYSE American at 65 cents. Genius Group is an AI-powered, Bitcoin-first education company founded in 2002. They're headquartered in Singapore with 133 employees. Here's what they do. They provide AI education and acceleration solutions through their platform, Geniusu, serving 5.4 million users in over 200 countries. They're building something called Genius Cities, which are physical learning hubs combining AI training, entrepreneurship education, and blockchain technology. The catalyst. Genius Group is transforming into a Bitcoin treasury company while maintaining their education business. They've acquired over 420 Bitcoin as of January 2025, worth approximately $40 million. Their goal is to reach 1,000 Bitcoin, but it gets better. They launched GeniusGroup.ai in October 2024, an AI-powered platform that connects their global Genius Cities network. They're integrating AI avatars, including Student AI for university students and Genius Team for entrepreneurs. They also launched Genius Bitcoin Academy and Genius Blockchain Academy, offering micro courses and certifications on Bitcoin and blockchain. They've partnered with Applied Blockchain to link student credits to Bitcoin Satoshis using the Lightning Network. This is innovative. They're building education infrastructure on Bitcoin rails. The all-time high was $96 in June 2022. It's now at 65 cents. That's a 99% decline. If it recovers even 1% of that decline, you're looking at 10x returns. Recent price action: 1 month range 60 to 80 cents. 6-month range 30 cents to 150, 1-year range 25 cents to 150. The stock hit 150 just months ago, more than double the current price. Market cap is only $57 million. For a company with 5.4 million users, a growing Bitcoin treasury, and expanding AI education infrastructure, that seems extremely undervalued. The CEO, Roger Hamilton, just bought 650,000 shares in June 2025 at 54 cents per share. When insiders are buying aggressively, that's a bullish signal. The company completed a share buyback of 1 million shares in August 2025 as part of a 20% buyback mandate. They're also pursuing legal action against alleged market manipulation and naked short selling, which could unlock value if successful. Average daily volume is 4.8 million shares. Decent liquidity. Conservative target: $150 to $2 within 12 months. That's a 100 to 200% return. Aggressive target: if their Genius City model scales and Bitcoin treasury grows, $3 to $5 is possible. That's a 5 to 7x the risks. The company reported net losses. They closed their University of Antelope Valley subsidiary in 2024. Which created negative press. There's execution risk on their ambitious Genius Cities plan. Bitcoin volatility affects their treasury. This is speculative, but they have real users, real revenue, a growing Bitcoin treasury. In their positioning at the intersection of AI and Bitcoin education, let's compare these two quickly. ASST, Strive Asset Management, 79 cents. Bitcoin treasury play, 7,500 Bitcoin holdings. Asset-backed value story. Higher liquidity with 113 million average volume, more established Bitcoin treasury strategy. GNS, Genius Group, 65 cents, AI education platform with Bitcoin treasury. 5.4 million users, 420 Bitcoin and growing, lower market cap at 57 million, more speculative but higher growth potential if Genius Cities model works. ASST is the safer Bitcoin treasury play. GNS is the higher risk, higher reward education tech play with Bitcoin exposure. Now the critical risks. Both are penny stocks under $1. You could lose your entire investment on either of these. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than 1-3% of your portfolio in any single penny stock. These are extremely volatile. Bitcoin prices directly impact both companies. If Bitcoin crashes, these stocks crash harder. Do your own research. Read SEC filings, check quarterly reports, understand the business models. Don't invest based solely on this video. These are speculative, high-risk investments. If you can't afford to lose the money, don't invest in these stocks. Alright, let's recap. Stock number 1, ASST, Strive Asset Management, 79 cents, 688 million market cap, 7,500 Bitcoin treasury. Former all-time high 1775 Bitcoin-backed value play. Stock number 2, GNS, Genius Group, 65 cents, 57 million market cap, 420 Bitcoin treasury, 5.4 million users, AI education platform. Former all-time high $96. Price targets for ASST, conservative to $2-3, aggressive $5 to $10 if Bitcoin rallies and they execute their strategy. For GNS, conservative $1.50 to $2, aggressive $3 to $5. If Genius City scales and Bitcoin Treasury grows, both could deliver life-changing returns for those who understand and accept the massive risks. Here's what you need to do. Subscribe to Velocity Stocks for more undervalued stock analysis. Hit that notification bell, drop a comment. Which stock do you like better, ASST or GNS? Let me know your thoughts. Smash that like button if you found this valuable. Check the description for links to my research tools and Discord community. Final disclaimer, do your research, invest with discipline, never risk money you can't afford to lose completely. These are penny stocks, they're volatile, speculative, and high risk. Next week, I am covering a stock that just announced a government contract and is positioned for 100% gains. I'm Sterling from Velocity Stocks. Let's catch these stocks in motion. Peace.